Cabinet all your Boffins. So B-Class 2006 or chassis W245. Door panel front removal. Principle's the same for both sides. Really quite simple. Couple of basic tools. Torx T30. I use it on an impact gun, but by hands, no problem. Couple of pry tools. One with a bit like a wedge. And obviously a flat blade, sort of spatula spacer one. What we're going to do firstly, quite simple here. Straight down the back. Get that out. It will just come out relatively easy. There we go. Be cautious of your clips so you don't snap them. A couple of little lugs there, sort of comes out and up. Your two Torx bits are there. That one's quite loose actually, so I'm assuming this has been out before. They're done. Now, what you want to be doing here, this plastic lug, it's quite a chunky lug on these. Get one of these in there. There. Up there, as you can see, quite a chunky bit of plastic. It does take quite a bit to get out of it. Once you've done that, want to be looking at getting rid of these. Now, what you'll find on here, these do tend to stay in. You can use this little tool to take these out. And then we are ready to get rid of the door panel itself. Personally, a lot of people go here. I like to take this down the side and get in there, and then just a little pull. Got a load of Smarties in there, so it's making a bit of a rattly noise. Get up to that and lift it up. Now, inside here, all you got to do, this is the door handle. Pull it back and basically lift it up and out of the catch, and then unhook. And then of course you've got your connector here, which you can either disconnect from here or disconnect from here, I believe. Which, there you go, boom. Simple as that, guys. There we go. And if you want the Smartie, I don't know how old they are, but there's one for you.